Here's how to take a 2D layer in Fusion and bring it into 3D space. So I have a couple images here. I have our winter background and a house. Normally I could just merge these over our background like this, and they would be 2D images, which we could transform and position and everything in 2D. But if we want to do some parallax or something like that, it's easiest to kind of bring this into 3D space and make them 3D layers. So the whole key to this is this little effect right here, the image plane 3D. I can click and just drag this in, and we'll just preview this here on our second viewer. And let's just take this house and plug this into the yellow input of our image plane. And look at that. We have our 2D layer there in 3D space. Then we can do anything with this that we would normally with the 3D stuff in Fusion, which if you're not familiar, pretty much how it works is you have a Merge 3D, which is this node right here, and a Renderer 3D, which is this node here. You need both of these. Let's take this Merge 3D and plug it into the Renderer 3D. The Renderer 3D is the image that's created, that's rendered from the 3D camera. The Merge 3D is like the 3D world. And so I can take this image plane 3D and plug this into Merge 3D, and there we have the 2D layer floating in 3D space in our 3D world, just like this. But the default camera from the Renderer 3D is rendering that as a 2D image. So I could do a similar thing and grab another image plane 3D, and let's take our winter background and plug this into the image plane 3D and plug that into our Merge 3D. And now we have these both on the exact same plane. So let's select this image plane and then just push this back a little bit. I'm just selecting the image plane, grabbing this little blue arrow and pushing it back. I could also go over to the transform right here in the upper right and go down to scale and push up the scale here. So now we have the background behind our house, but also scaled way up. So now we have these 2D images on 3D image planes. And again, let's just kind of scale this up a lot. And let's take this Merge 3D and put this in our left viewer so that we can see what's going on. There we go. And let's look at our Renderer 3D on the right. Just scale up our backgrounds. Let's just make this like 10. Scale it down a little more than that, something like this. And then our image plane for our house, we can kind of move around to be wherever we want. But now here's where the cool part comes in. We can add a 3D camera. Check this out. I can take this camera 3D. I just dragged it from right here. Take this and plug this into the Merge 3D. That's going to change my renderer because my camera is in a different place. But over here in my Merge 3D, I can grab this camera and move it back. And look what happens as I move this around. I can take this camera and move it. And look, we get a little bit of parallax there. Oh, isn't that so cool? In fact, we could make this a little bit more intense by moving the house a little bit closer and scaling it down. We'll just scale that down. We'll just kind of position this where we want. And now as I move this camera back and forth, we get a lot of parallax in between these two 3D layers. And so you can do some really cool animations and stuff just with this 3D environment. So you can add lights and you can do all kinds of stuff to this. You can mix it with 3D meshes and everything, it all works in the same system. But it's really quick and easy to add these 2D layers and kind of offset them in 3D space, just like you would in After Effects or animation programs and things like that. Yeah, and then you can get some quick little parallax. If you want to learn more about animating graphics in Fusion, whoosh, there is a really great video right there. It's a big old walkthrough of some of my favorite techniques for creating graphics in Fusion. I'd highly recommend checking that out. I think you'll learn a lot. All right, so watch that next. Okay.